Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go again. This is part 2. The tent's up on a truck. Now I got an awning. I got an 8-foot Smittybilt awning, made in China. Gen 2 8-foot awning. And we're gonna mount it on these two brackets here, these two uprights. I've had a Gen 2, I had the same awning, different one, but the same Smittybilt 8-foot awning up there before, but we sold it. Now we got another one, so we're gonna put it up there. So I'll get back to you. Awning. It's all packed inside. It comes with a bag of hardware. Let's go dump this out on the table, see what we got. Should be like 4 bolts and a couple of washers. Oh, holy crap. I forgot. This is leftovers from yesterday. We got a bunch of crap. I didn't remember this. We got instructions. Some bolt head into the channels. 2, 3, 4. We got one awning. L brackets. They sent me L brackets too. Yeah, we don't need them. We got better. Stake with cord. Where is the stakes with cord? Oh, we didn't get that. The U-bolt. Flat washers, nylocks. 10 bolted nuts. I don't really think we need all that stuff. Let's go open it up and have a look. Should only be like 4 bolts. Yeah. It's all together. Piece of foam in each end. Keep it from wearing out in shipment, I'm guessing. And we got a couple of L brackets here, I guess. If I can get the Velcro off. Look like L brackets, yep. Which we won't use. Let's roll this thing over, see what's here. There we go. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna put... I didn't use the L brackets before. I have my own up on top of the roof. So we don't need that. But we'll need 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 washers. The bolts go in the rail. This is made for all different kinds of, yeah. I'm thinking that's all we're gonna need. 4 bolts, maybe 8 washers. 1 on each end, I don't know, we'll see. Oh, and they give me 2 more. Okay, I'm getting a collection of tools here. Let's go see what we got. Says you gotta flip it upside down. That thing, I guess you're supposed to Supposed to work that around the end. Let's check the other end just to see. Alright. I may have to go to the instructions for this. Let's see. Take a bolt. I'm pretty sure they go in there like that. Can I get them in? Put that back together. Somehow. One end or the other, it's got to come off. That end looks a little looser. Let's try to get him in this end. Yeah, there we go. There's one. Two. So there's the two bottom ones. And then kind of wiggle them in there. There's one. And there's two. There's the two top ones. So we're gonna take a bottom one. Run it all the way down to this end. We'll take a top one. Run it all the way down to this end. Roll it back over, or maybe not. Just gotta zip it up to keep all this stuff out of the way. And the two foam things. Yeah, just like this. We'll set it up on here for a second. Now, that's the fun part. I gotta support one. Alright, let's try it again. That friggin' headset doesn't work very well. I'm gonna support both ends with a tie strap, as you can see. Then I'm gonna get up on top, try to feed these two bolts through the two holes, these two bolts through those two holes, and then we'll put a nut on the other end and a washer and we'll be done. Alright, hang on, we'll get back. Alright, now we have an awning. Smittybilt 8-foot Gen 2 awning. And on another day, when it's supposed to be warm and sunny, I'm going to open the awning and open the tent, and I'll waterproof them, and I'll Let it dry, and I'll show you how to set up the tent. Okay, one thing I will mention is there's this thing comes with 2 pieces of foam packed in the ends. I'm gonna leave it in there. The reason I'm gonna leave it in there is because the awning inside isn't rolled up really tight. So it tends to shift back and forth a little bit while you're driving. And I don't want the rail of the awning to punch a hole in this nice little bag that it comes in. So that's all I'm gonna do for today. I just wanted to mount it. If I needed to, I could go camping right now. See the 2 bolts on the back? Over there on the other end and up on this end. And also, these covers cover the end of the rail because the aluminum rail tends to get a little sharp on the ends sometimes. So that's covered up. And I think my truck's pretty much ready to go. But before I go, like I said, Smittybilt recommends that you open the tent, you take off the rain fly, and you douse it. You get it soaking something. You pull the mattress out first, because the first time you get it rained on or get it wet, it's going to leak. So pull the mattress out first, soak it down with a hose, let it dry. Once it's dried, they say maybe if you can do it 2 or 3 times, it's better. So soak it 2 or 3 times, let it dry. Then that waterproofs because the material shrinks a little bit and it closes up the pores and on the holes where the threads go through. At least that's the plan, and it worked. It worked last time. So then you put the rain fly on top, and then you soak it again and let it dry, and soak the rain fly and let it dry, soak the rain fly and let it dry. Do that 2 or 3 times, and then once it's dry, fold it up, you're good to go. So I think I'm pretty much ready here on the truck. The dude and I are gonna go do some camping here this spring. Being in Tennessee, we aren't fighting 3 feet of snow. So, and I might even get another diesel heater in case, but I don't know, we might not bother. So what do you think? My overlanding rig. I think we're kind of like an advertisement for Smittybilt, but it should be good to go. All right, I'm done here.